Hi everyone! So I'm going to share with you guys another Make It Raw recipe. It's a sesame seed dressing. It can be a dip, a dressing, a sauce, or whatever. I love using it as a dip and a sauce, and that's what I'm going to do both tonight for my dinner, but I'm going to share with you guys my sesame seed dressing. So for my first ingredient, I'm going to use 1 cup of chopped celery. And I'm going to use 4 tablespoons of sesame seeds. So next I'm going to put in medjool dates. You're going to want to use about 2 to 3 large medjool dates, but I have 4 small ones. I did 4 because they're smaller in size, but I know medjool dates are much bigger, but you can just start with 2 just to start with and then adjust it from there. Whatever floats your little raw boats there, guys. Next, I'm going to put in 2 to 3 large lemon wedges. Now, you most certainly can try this with lime. It is super good with lime, but you can do half lemon and half lime. That's also super tasty. But all I have on hand right now is lemon, and this will do the trick. So I just have 2 large lemon wedges. And then I'm putting a little slice of garlic in there. And you most certainly do not have to use onions in this if you don't want to. It's good without onions. And but I'm going to put just a little bit of leek onion in there because I love leek onions. And so they're these long fanny type onions, but it's a cross between garlic and chives, and it's a super good onion. But I just have a smaller one here, so I'm just going to put in a little bit of leek onion in there. So this is super good just like this, just with these ingredients, but if you want to spice things up a little bit, I know adding a little bit of paprika in there really enhances the flavor also, but I know at the end some cracked black pepper is really good to dice on top, but it's up to you, and this is just the basic sesame dressing base here, but I certainly love to add a little bit of paprika to it. And then I'm going to add roughly 1/3 cup of water just to help loosen it up a little bit. Okay, you guys, we are ready, and this is a super good dressing recipe, actually as a dip and as a dressing. I'm gonna have it both as a dip and kind of as a dressing. I'm gonna munch on some celery. I'm gonna dip it in celery and cauliflower, and then of course there's tons of other veggies, but I think it's fantastic with cauliflower and celery, and then zucchini. You can also spiralize your zucchinis, which I'm getting ready to do, and then you can have creamy sesame zoodles. Awesome. A lot of you are probably going to say, well, Miss Stace, aren't those sesame seeds, aren't they bitter? And well, yes, they are, because they're the unhulled ones. They're the raw unhulled ones. But the celery balances out with the sesame seeds, and so you can't really taste any bitterness in this. It's not bitter at all. So it's creamy. You have the nice sesame flavor and the celery saltiness of this celery, and there's no bitterness at all. So it's perfect. Everybody, so remember to love being raw. Put a big old smile on your face today. I hope I did that for you, and I'll see you guys next video, okay? Bye guys. Wow. Oh yeah.